Hi guys, today I came to the nature reserve to go out on a walk with my kids, so I'm going to take you on that adventure. We've been having a pretty great time, so I hope you enjoy this video. In the middle of a nature reserve with my kids, my daughter is running around, and there she comes. This place is so nice. I really like coming here. We have our camera, things, having a little picnic. There's other tables as well. And then we're gonna go on a walk. And I'm gonna show you guys more view. And over in that area where my daughter is, my son's right there. You can see like the lake. So I'm gonna show you guys that as well. Right now I'm coming down this path right here. I hope I don't fall. Just to check my kids that are walking around. We like to come here a lot. Just walk around, and if we're lucky enough, we might see those big lizards, or what we call here in Puerto Rico, iguana de palo. So let's see what the kids are up to. Ahora. Ooh, it's nice. My daughter got scared with a pelican, I think it was, or something like that. This is like really soft. And it's sometimes scary, but it's a very nice view. My son is trying to skip rocks there. But it's pretty nice out. And look, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little friend right over there. Right there. Vente, papi. I'm gonna see if I can go up through where my daughter went. They're always jumping around and fooling around. And now we're gonna pick up our stuff and we're gonna go out on a walk. Trépate. There, she's reading some information. ¿De qué es eso? Espérate. There's information about this tree right here. And there are my two monkeys. Por lo de las raíces.
¿Sabes quién es más cercano?
Don't touch that because it hurts.
No, Inca.
I think we have a little friend there. Let's keep on walking. Voy a ver eso ahí. You can see a lot of those right there. That's what I was trying to show you guys later, but I think the camera wasn't picking it up. And now we're going to show you that floating platform. Here's the floating platform. First time I came here, I was nervous that I thought this was going to fall. Se oye algo. Esto es tan lindo. I think there's another floating platform to the other side. So we're just gonna walk a little bit and see what we can find. This is like the entrance for people that want to go like on boats, kayaks, and things like that. And there's like little friends there as well, but not sure the camera picks it up. Look at them right there. Let's see. Trata de mover uno, Abel. Look, there's one right there where my daughter's feet is at. Look at him. Look at him right there. And there's another one here. Look at all the ones right there. Not sure if you can pick up the fish, but there's some fish there. Voy ahora, mi amor. The place that I just showed you where the little friends were is called La Laguna Santa. ¿Qué dice ahí? Teresay. Which is that place right there. Casa de Bombas. This place a long time ago was useful, but now it's not. I'm going to show you how it looks. Pero yo no quiero enseñar esa mujer. No, mi amor. This has to do with like a water well and things like that, but it's been a long time and it's no longer in use. There's my son. This place is really nice. I think this had to do something with like the water that was supplied to the people in this municipality, but it's no longer in use. But it's really nice just to come here and have a chat with the family, have a picnic like the one I had with my kids today. And there's a lot of things down that road over there. We're gonna go over there, but let's see what other things I can show you guys. No, allí es que tu país había sacado la foto del lagarto. There you can rent kayaks here and bikes and go through that trail right there. And if you go all the way to the end, you can get up to the beach. You can't go in, but it's really nice. That's just some information of the place we're at.
Empieza a evaporar y la sal se empieza a cristalizar y crea la bacteria y la alga y el químico que pone el agua.
Now we're going through here and there's an area where you can see the beach. You can't go in the water in that section. The waves are really high, but it's just nice and relaxing to hear the beach and see it. And then we're gonna try to go up high in the mountain to see the view up there, because you can see like the whole town that we're in. Where I came in the car, if I kept driving down a little bit and I go over there, you can go to like the actual beach. Baja ahí, papá. Papi, muévete más para acá. This place is pretty high. My kids are over there, but I'm way back then what they are, because I get tired. But once I get to the top, or at least halfway, I'm gonna show you. We're halfway and I'm out of breath, but as you can see, the view is beautiful. And they're my kids and they're like a regular day and I can't breathe. We're almost getting to the top, where those soldiers here used to hide and look out to the sea to see if there was enemies that were gonna come and attack them here on the island. So when I get there, which I'm not sure if you can pick it up in the camera, where you see that blue thing there and white, which is a garbage can obviously, but it's there. So I'm gonna show you there's people there, so I'm gonna stop recording, and when I get there and there's not people in the way, I'm gonna show you. But we're pretty high. There's the town of Humacao there. That place right there, now you see the hole, and there where those people are, that's where the military used to hide. We're gonna go down there and show you. They used to hide down there. My kids are gonna go down the other way to go inside. They used to hide in there, and through this hole right there. They can look out to the sea and see if there was people coming. And my daughter's going down the steps, as you can see. Hi, Mommy. Now my son's gonna go down, but I don't do it. I'm scared. So I used to hide here. This place is no longer in use, so that's why you see things written on the walls and graffiti over there. But let's see if my son comes down. My daughter's telling my son how he can go down. Allá está uno, papi, cuidado. Hola. So here is where they looked out at sea, and if you see an island all the way in the back, that's actually Vieques. It's part of Puerto Rico as well. And I don't know what's wrong in there, but my kids are laughing. My daughter has an Instax mini camera, and look at here the pretty pictures she's taken. So if you haven't gotten one, you can get one for yourself or your kids. But this place is really beautiful. I like it. And there's another place to the other end, which I will show you. They actually brought some guys that are in prison that had the benefits to come out and help out in the community. They came and painted an area here, and it's really pretty, so I'm going to show you that, and then we're going to head back down. Be careful. We're going down to the place that I mentioned that the guys painted. We're going down a set of oh my god, I can't talk. A set of steps. And when we get down, I'm going to show you the steps because they had painted something there too. And it looks really nice. Look at how pretty. Entra, papi. See, they painted this here. It's really nice. Look at this drawing, this painting. It looks really nice. Look how pretty the view on there. Now we're heading back down. And then we're going to go out through the same path we came over here. It's been a pretty great time. It's just pretty hot out today. It's really sunny. So if you come out to Puerto Rico and do this, bring water, a lot of water. Nice comfy shoes, because I'm in sandals. That's not a really great decision to make, but it's a nice place to come and relax and have like a picnic and just take nice pictures. So I'll see you guys when we get down there. We're back down, and now we're gonna walk to the car and then just head back home, but first stop to get something to drink or maybe some ice cream or something. But I'm tired. Okay. There's a duck out in the water. I don't know if you can see them. They sound funny. We're almost getting to the car where you see that right there. You can rent bikes, and all the way in the entrance you can rent kayaks as well. They're not renting them right now, maybe due to COVID, but when all this is over, if you come, you can rent that. And then in this area right here, you can actually put tents, and there's a place where you can put your grill. But it's a really nice place to just come out and hang out with your family and your kids. So now we're just gonna head back home, but before then, get some juice or icy or something to drink because we're hot and thirsty. But I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Say bye, Papi.